guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudeaz, and today I'll be demonstrating to you how I eat a Jamaican patty.
So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Kingsley, you want to show them how you eat a patty? Show them how you eat your patty.
It's the camera thing.
Well,
Anyways,
yeah.
if the patty just come out of the oven, right?
Yeah.
Like this, it's going to be well hot.
Like what?
It's going to be well hot.
Yeah.
So you can't just bite down into the patty. It's going to burn.
Wow.
It's going to burn the two sides of your mouth. You have to say, wow. It's going to burn off the two sides of your mouth. You have to say, mouth corner. And the Jamaican will eat patty. You know what we have to talk about, right? So what you have to do when you're eating patty is, right, pull it out of the bag as much as you can, and then make sure you have a firm grip, you know, right, and make sure you sit in the bag, your fingers are hold the bag because patty well hot. Wait now, we don't time.
Wait no, that's where you demonstrate how you eat your patty. Oh, because my demonstration is going to be different.
So you have to make sure you hold the bag because the patty hot. If you hold the patty, it's going to burn your finger then. So what you have to do now is you can't bite down in it, son, because all of the steam from the baking is inside of the patty, right?
Get to the point now. No?
So when you bite in it, you do like this. You just take a small bite,
Yeah, we are biting like a girl.
You take a small bite.
A girl bite.
Make sure so the patty well from the corner, and make sure so the patty don't touch none of your mouth, just your teeth.
Oh boy.
After you hear what the patty, and if you can see the steam will come out right. You see all of them steam here?
This patty is really hot because it just come out of the oven.
You see all of them steam here? Them steam here make you crash if you drive.
And we're driving now.
Right? And if you bite down in it, you're not going to swallow it, you're not going to spit it out. So you have to just take the burn.
Okay.
After you let out most of the steam now, you give it another bite. From a different corner.
Oh, so you don't want to start with the meat touch your mouth yet? Oh.
You have to make sure so you get enough holes so the steam can come out right. Now that you bite from a different corner now,
yeah.
you bite off the middle, right?
So you can drive and eat your patty? So you're not reaching the meat yet? Okay, alright.
You're not reaching the meat for now, that calm down.
Alright, my turn now. Are you want
this
to?
way so you just make it go out here a little bit. Till you get cool enough now, you can eat it.
Alright, so
finish the end.
that's it?
Yeah.
So, finish the meat burning.
Yeah, I'm sure it's all right. I'm still now.
Oh, your skill. Alright, my skill. So my turn now. So guys, I'm going to demonstrate now how I eat my patty. Alright, first the patty have to be extremely hot, which it is now. And then I'm gonna take out my patty. Bite my patty.
Reach the meat part. Now that you reach the meat part, right? It is important that you still don't take a big bite out of it because the meat is sizzling hot. Right? It will burn off all your mouth.
Ow!
Right.
I just get burned.
So what you have to do now is you have to squeeze up the meat out of the patty, right? Squeeze it up like this. I'm driving, I'm sorry.
The paper tool we're jumping up.
And when you squeeze it up, you just take a small bite off of the meat at the top. See, some might drop on my finger, it's a kill with burn. Whoa.
And this
So you bite off the meat.
This patty is actually from Juicy Patty in Spanish Town. Big up Shantae. She was our customer service rep. She was very helpful. Yeah, she was very helpful, and her customer service was excellent. So big up Shantae.
Right. So now that you eat off most of the meat off of the top right now, right? You can then go ahead and bite off the top again, and that's where you eat patty.
While you're driving.
While you're driving, which I don't recommend.
Yep.
Don't do this at home. Well, while you're driving.
Camino. Ow. Hot. How you managing your patty around here? What you know?
This is still.
You eating a patty? Do you take a small bite? Yeah.
Okay, good.
The patty nice.
You took a small bite.
I'm so hungry. So look at all the meat. Why? Ow! Wow!
She never follow me.
Wow!
She never follow me directions, people.
Ow! Cha! My gosh! Look at this. I'm gonna mess up.
Pay attention. By the way, this is the way right way to eat a patty, very hot. Right now when the meat cold up and cake up inside of the patty. Very hot like this where the meat is like, you know, full of juices and all of them stuff there. That's the sweetest way to eat the patty. Not when it's cold and when it's cold all of this just get tough. It don't have the same taste. It actually tastes much better. It tastes nice still, but it tastes nicer when it's really hot.
Yeah. And I burn up my mouth. My gosh, man.
Follow me.
Whoa.
You get the patty.
I'm gonna remember. Man, I don't think I'm an expert.
Nope.
And this is a rocky road. So there you have it. When my patty done it. And when you're near to reach the end part of the patty, that's one of the sweetest parts though. The patty burned me up, I'll jump on my pan here so. Right, God.
Same juice patty,
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive, go back on the road. There's a light chain so I'm like with the patty. I knew that drop up on my deer leg, man. My beer leg, man, for beer the thing go around the corner. And it's a crash, which is why we recommend people eat and drive.
Well,
Or people vlog and drive. It's actually against the law. You can get a
it's like
ticket.
a roller coaster.
You can get a ticket for it. And make sure say you're not driving and eating.
Still hot. some spill out, some spill over. At the end, the patty is still hot. Kesley, how you doing around there? You finish your patty? Hmm? No. The last piece. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me in eating my patty.
Let's eat that big. Jump on the seat.
Here.
It's not Kaale. You have to be careful, something there. Put it in the bag.
So Kaale, that's how you eat your patty? Still hot. Oh. So finally reach home now, so let me show you. Look at this pear patty crumbs. Look, pans. Thank you all for watching my video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. And also comment in the description below